Hi guys, how you all doing? Welcome to my channel again. And yes, we'll have another headlight town car video. And if you hear some noise, it's my fans here in the garage that are on, so don't let that irritate you. Okay, we'll be unboxing some new headlights. Quick story, the town car had an accident. I hit a deer with it. And then it went to the insurance paid for everything, paid for a new headlight. The body shop put a really bad headlight on. It was one from the junkyard. It was horrible, really bad. Watch the video, I have a video out about that, which I don't blame the body shop. Those guys are really nice, but it's what the insurance paid for. So I complained and they said I could get a new headlight, which of course the original headlights are super expensive and they opted for aftermarket ones, and I was fine with that. Okay, here's the aftermarket headlights, and yeah, just so in case you wonder why I have two because they ordered them in a pair. I think on accident they said I could just keep the two. Alright, this is the box right here, and this is the left one. And it says Lincoln Town Car 05 to 11, so without HIDs, and that's what we need. So these here are made in, not in China, made in Taiwan, and they are from Eagle Eyes. And from what I've seen, there's not too many aftermarket headlights out, and Eagle Eyes produces quite a bit of aftermarket stuff for cars in the headlight segment, and the quality is supposed to be not too bad. So we'll see what this looks like. I already cut it open. Open it up. What we got here? See what we got here, huh? Well packed. Put that to the side. That to the side. Well, I said well packed, maybe not. That's just it. This is my light right here. It's just sitting in here. Okay, I can see the light has some plastic on it. I can pull that off, which I leave it on right now. There's a rubber molding there. Okay, I'm gonna take that out of the box and we'll compare it with an original from Lincoln there. We'll see what the difference is. Give me just 1 second to put the box away. Just gonna do that one-handed here. Yeah, that's what happens. Still a one-man show here. That's how it goes in this channel, one-man show. Alright, here's the light. The new one, and here's the original one from Lincoln. I want to say Ford, but Ford is correct too, from Lincoln. So let's see, this is the original one. Let's look at the front. See, this is still pretty good for its age. Yeah. That's the way it's built. Let's look at this one here. Same type row. I immediately feel this feels softer and more floppy. Doesn't feel as firm. The rubber. I'll pull that off when I put them on. Rest looks the same. Yeah, I don't see any difference there. Oh, I do see a difference here. Let's see the number here. What does it say? The number here is a little bit different, okay? So, let's look at this one here. Let's see, 2 HP. I think it's the same number, it's just different. It's a DOT number, it's just put in different. But that is definitely different. The amber part is lighter on this one, darker on this one. Weird stuff. It seems to be cut off a little bit different, but I think that's just, yeah, it has a little bit of a spot there where it's cut. You know, the difference is a little sharper here, but then again, I think it's a reflection. Okay, so let's say not really a major difference in the front of the headlight. See, that's same. I'll turn around. All right. See, the screws are different. This here seems to be like a Torx. This is just the normal Phillips. Not a big deal though. Normal Phillips here. It's different type of bolt here. So that's definitely different. These seem to have a little vent here. You know, so you don't get foggy, I guess. And the vent here looks different too. That's the original one here. Well, you can tell it's dirty, right? Yeah. There's a sticker on this one here on the side. That is not on this one, of course. And then here's the difference. See how that plastic covers this? See how that has a dark rubber underneath? This one here does the same, but not here. See, it's clear. Here it's not clear. So that's different, definitely. But is that important? What do you think? I don't think so. This seems to be all fitting right. The adjustment is different here. The adjustment screw here looks like a Phillips. And definitely here, that's different. So when you adjust the headlights, that will be a different system. I don't know if they have to be adjusted. Maybe one of you guys knows. Do they come so they're adjusted to the right way? Oh, look at that, that's sticky. There's some sticky glue there. It's also really hot here. It's probably 87 degrees in the garage here. We had it up in the hundreds outside, so it's pretty hot. All right, here's the sticker for this one here. So made in Taiwan again, and this one has a sticker here, the original one. All right, looks good. I mean, back of them, yeah, looks all right. That's the old one. Let's look at this one here. I would say that looks the same. There you have it, my new headlights. This is the new one. This is the old one. And I got two brand new ones for my town car. And I'm very excited to put those lights in. I'm gonna do that very soon. Look at that, how nice and clean they are, sharp. And I'll do that very soon. And I'll make a video too. I mean, I already have a video about how to take the lights out. I'll make another video so you can see what bulbs I put in. And we'll have to put those LED bulbs back in. Remember the ones that don't really work, and then they work, and then they don't work. So we'll have to do the whole work again. Take everything out, open all the lights up, put the bulbs in, move them into the car, move them into a different headlight, and put the headlights back in. So a lot of work coming up for me. I do not really love to do it because I've done it so many times, and it's just gets tiring to work on the lights on the same car over and over and don't see progress. This time I will see progress because I finally have two brand new headlights. All right. I appreciate you guys watching and supporting the channel. This was just a shorter video about the headlights. The main video about the town car will come out soon. We'll put the headlights in together, and we'll see if the new bulbs and everything work out. I bought new bulbs for the low beams as well, non-LEDs, just normal bulbs. By the way, these come with bulbs, but they're probably from Taiwan too, and I don't want to keep those in. They're probably the cheapest they can find to put in there. All right, have a fun day. I'll talk to you soon, and see you soon on this channel. Keep watching, keep liking, keep subscribing, and please share my videos. Have a wonderful day. Thanks for everything.